Chef Anthony here at Dawn's Appliances. I'm going over the Gozney Dome today. Great piece, making some pizzas, but talking about some of the amazing features and benefits, why it's the best for your home. Let's get right inside. There's a huge deck here for multiple pizzas, ton of cooking applications. When we look on the left, that's where the gas is for the propane. You see that huge flame coming out. It's just another great piece. This one is a dual fuel. So if we look here on the far right side, that little cap right there, if we pick it up, that's where we can start to burn the wood on the right side, okay? There's an ash collector on the bottom right-hand side we'll talk about later, but now we can do multiple things. So we could actually do gas, or we could do wood. You could even put coal on here as well, so you could do hot coals like a coal-fired pizza, coal-fired wings, and things like that. But it's in this great bone color. It has this nice little matte look. Great little holder right here for all your wood. Right here. So I have these little, these little kiln right here, and that would go in there, and that's where we would burn it on this right side. Okay. Right here, if we talk, is where the ash collects. So this is like a nice little ash collector. So if we pull this guy out, it's actually a little brand new and stuck in there, but this is where all the ash will collect. Super easy and convenient. Goes right in there, and you could discard it. Right here's another great spot as well. This is one of the 2 internal roast probes that come with the unit. So this will plug right in here. And now we have the option of cooking, meats, chicken, things like that, all the beef, and you have the internal temperature, but you're like, hey chef, where is it at? Let me go right here. This digital box right here not only tells you the temperature, which we are cruising at almost 930 degrees now, but once we plug in the roast probe there or here, we could actually get an internal read, and it'll actually digitally tell us the exact temperature, which is huge. We love that. When you pop this guy out, there's a little battery in there, so you don't have to worry about anything really being connected. It's a super great piece. This is what I love right here. This is the igniter. So we ignited it already, but now we have it cranked up, and now you could actually adjust this by pushing it in to go to a lower flame or a higher flame if we wanted to. So you can really control this heat, and it gives you the option to not just cook pizzas at a high temperature. This gives you the option to cook cookies in here at a low temperature, bake a great loaf of bread, even do a pasta al forno, which is, a pasta, with sauce and cheese like I would make, and just brown it off the top. Ideal for roasting vegetables. Just a ton of great applications. You gotta think out of the round circle of just pizzas here. We can kind of do anything in here. On the top right here is the chimney. This is where all the smoke and all the air will let out. Right back here is a little distributor cap. We take this cap off, and you can actually put a cup there. Gozney makes an afterpiece, a cup. There's a water pan back there too, and now it'll drain water in there and add some steam to it. That'll aid in bread baking. That'll aid in something like a pork roast or a shoulder, a tougher cut that you want to roast in here, but you need that moisture to have it shred, like a nice chuck roast of beef, something like that. So think about it. Now we got vegetables, we could roast potatoes in here, we could do pizzas in here. We know we can do meats with the roast probe. This is really covering your whole dinner, summer and winter. So you can do the roast and just the bigger items as well. Let's talk about the handles here. The stand is, it's on the stand right now, but this guy with these 2 handles can be pulled up. This can sit right on the countertop flush. It's probably around 125 to 150 pounds, so it is a 2-man lift, or 2-person lift, I should say. But this can stand alone, or it comes with this great cart with the bamboo wood, which I love. And if you notice right here, we have our pizza peels right here, right on the ready. We keep our extra wood down at the bottom, but just a great, nice accessory. There's some hooks that go right here that we didn't put on, but there's some hooks to hold all your utensils and things like that. So great piece there. And I think, pretty much that's all for the Gozney Dome. I mean, it's a great size, great space, and I feel like, I can get 2 to 3 pizzas in here. I can definitely do a dozen cookies, probably like 4 to 5 smaller loaves of bread, but possibilities are endless. The ease is simple, and I feel like it's something that everyone should really have in their home as a strong piece for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast pizza too, okay? Bacon and eggs. So, hope this helps you, determine the Gozney Dome and all of its great features. I'm gonna be making some pizzas, so enjoy.